Morning, dear students. Now we will start over here exercise 3.7 from our NCERT textbook. We have to solve the following word problems with HCF and LCM. Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. See, keep it always in your mind that whenever asking for the greatest or highest, we always calculate HCF, and asked for the least number or the least, that time we will calculate LCM. So here first we have to calculate HCF. 2 bags weight are 75 kg and 69 kg. So 75, 5 15s are 75, then 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Whereas for 69, 3 23 and 23 1s are 23. So in both the cases 3 is the common factor, that's why HCF is 3 kg. The exact number of times of weight is 3 kg. Move forward. Question number 2. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Minimum asking, so calculate LCM. First boy 63 centimeter, second boy 70 centimeter, whereas third boy 77 centimeter. So minimum distance we have to calculate LCM of the given digits, that is 63, 70 and 77. Start by 7, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70 and 7 11s are 77. Now apply 3, 3 3s are 9, 10 as it is, 11 as it is. Again apply 3, 3 1s are 3, 10 as it is, 11 as it is. Apply 10, 10 1s are 10, 11 as it is. Then apply 11, all the digits are 1. So the required LCM 7 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 10 multiply 10. 7 3s are 21, 21 3s are 63 and 10 into 11, that is 110. So if we multiply these two, I will get over here 6930 centimeter. Come on for the next, number 3. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest step which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So look over here. Length 825 centimeter given, breadth 675 centimeter given, height 440 centimeter. So longest step, that means calculate HCF over here. 825 divided by 5 got over here 165. Now divided by again 5 got 33. Divided by 3 got 11. 11 1s are 11. Now the next digit is 675. Start with 5. 5 1s are 5, 17, so 5 3s are 15, and 17 minus 15, that is 2, and 5 5s are 25. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Next number, that is 450. If I divide it by 2, I got over here 225. 225 divided by 3 got 75. 75 divided by 5 got 15. And 15 divided by 5 got 3. Next, again apply 3 1s are 3. So, now the common digits are 5 5 3. Here also 5 5 3. And here also 5 5 3. So, the HCF equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. That is 25 into 3, 75. The longest tape is 75 centimeter. Come for the next question. Question number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Smallest number asking, so we have to calculate LCM. So LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Apply 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again apply 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Apply again 2, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 3. Again 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So our required LCM, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. As we know, the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Since all the multiples of 24 will also divisible by 6, 8 and 12. ये जो 24 है अपना LCM, ये 6, 8 और 12 ये सबके मल्टीपल्स है, यानी 6 के टेबल पे भी 24 आता है, 8 के टेबल पे भी आता है और 12 के टेबल पर भी आता है. So now 100 3-digit smallest number divided by 24. 24 4s are 96 and 4 is the remainder. So the smallest multiple of 24 in 3-digit will be just above 100 minus 4, because 4 remaining. That's why 100 minus 4 plus 24. So 100 minus 4 is 96 plus 24 equal to 120. Hence, the required number is 120. Hence, the required number is 120. Next, question number 5. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So here also we have to first calculate LCM of 8, 10 and 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Apply again 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is, 2 3s are 6. Next, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, 3 as it is. Then apply 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3. Next apply 5, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5 and 1. So the LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 60 2s are 120. So our LCM is 120. But as we know, greatest 3-digit number is 900 999. So 999 divided by 120, 128 is 960 and 39 is the remaining. Sign up therefore multiple of 120 just below 999 is 960. Hence the required number, because 999 minus 39, whatever remaining is there, I subtracted over here and got 960. So hence the required number is 960. Required number is 960. Come for the next, that is question number 6. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m. at what time will they change simultaneously again? Means we have to find out the shortest time. For that purpose, calculate LCM. The required time will be the LCM of 48, 72, 108. Apply first 2, 24 got 36, 54. Divided by 2 again, got 12, 18 and 27. Again divided by 2, got 6, 9 and 27. Apply 2 again, 2 3s are 6, 9 as it is, 27 as it is. Apply 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Again apply 3, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now apply 3 again, 1 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. So our LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. These 2 are 4. These 2 are again 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So 4 and 27, 108, and here it is 4. Now 4 multiply 108, so 432. So the number is 432, that is our LCM. Therefore, the required time is 432 seconds. So 432 seconds बाद ये वापस एक साथ बजेंगे, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल दिखाई देगा. So 432 convert it into minute. As we know, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So divided it by 60. 60 sevens are 420. The 7 is the minute and remaining 12 is the second. So means 7 minutes and 12 seconds after 7, the signals will remain glow simultaneously.